In primetime news this evening, the occult or a misunderstood religious sect. TVJ News investigates mysterious St. James group. Condemnation. Stakeholders outraged over group's disturbing practices. And police high command reveals the Mobay-based Yahweh group was on its radar.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Andrea. We're talking about the runaway dollar. It's another record low, and we'll have that story and so much more in the business. Of course, you guessed it, Andrea.
And for what's happening in sports, Karen Madden has our preview.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, some major clashes are expected in the richest race in the Caribbean on Saturday at Caymanas Park, and we look ahead to that.
All right, we also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking tonight, what are your thoughts on the security forces raid on the religious group in Albion, St. James?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.